What's happening? Welcome back to my channel, and there we go again. So this video is going to be a quick one, how to remove the fairings from KTM DUKE125. Guess it's 2018, probably all models pretty same. So we're going to remove the left and the right side. There's nothing wrong with the fairings. I want to get access to the petrol tank because I want to respray the different color. So yeah, this video going to be about these fairings. Also got video how to change these handlebars and the levers in here, grips, sorry, and the levers. Also I got video how to remove the rear panels, fairings. So yeah, let's crack on and remove these fairings in here. As simple as, really, to remove this fairing, you have to do, you undo these three boys in here on the front. As you see, 1, 2, 3. Allen key, use Allen key for that. We got one more in here, which is number 4. And I reckon it's going to be one under the seat. So basically, use your key in here, undo this rear seat, take it off, and take it nice and smoothly, the big one off as well. And yes, as you see, there is 1 and 2 to remove from this side as well. So let's crack on. And just slide it off, and this is your little pipe. Voila, it comes off like that. Simple as. Same we do from the right side also as well. Just push it, pull to the seat side, to your side, and that's it. It comes off with no problem at all. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you find this helpful for yourself, how easy it is actually to do it. Did take probably 5 minutes, if that. Also smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also check their Instagram page, R91 Motos. It's good stuff up there, good videos. Yes, loads of this bike coming up, and also how to remove the petrol tank, and I'm gonna respray as well. So yeah, have a good day.